On here, I was going over my task sheet. I gathered all my tools and materials needed to complete this work, which will be soldering. So I measured 1 feet on my length of copper pipe, took my measurement, I get the pipe cutter, I adjusted my pipe cutter for cutting. And I start cutting my pipe. Okay, now that I have completed the cutting of my pipe, I got some sandpaper, well, a piece of sandpaper, and I start sanding the end of the copper pipe. This technique is for removing any dirt, rust, and corrosions on the surface of the pipe. So I make sure that I sand away the oxidized area, as they can affect the soldering. And in my hand is the coupling. So now I'm about to apply flux on the end of my copper pipe. Now I'm making sure that all around the end of my copper pipe have flux on it. And I'm doing the same for the other end of the coupling on the inside. Now in my hand I have the lead-free soldering wire. I'm going to take the measurement of the amount of solder I'm going to use. Then I dip the soldering wire into the flux and cover back the flux. Now I'm going to place my cutted copper pipe into the coupling and rejoin it at the union. Now I'm about to light my torch. First I turn on the acetylene gas and I light it. Adjust the flame. And now I'm turning on the oxygen. Now I'm adjusting the torch to the right flame, which is neutral flame. Now I'm applying heat to my coupling to solder the joint. Now I'm applying solder to the joint. Afterwards, I take off my torch by taking off the oxygen first, then the acetylene. And I rest it down carefully for the next student to take his turn. Then I take a piece of cloth and wipe away the excess flux. Make sure my work is clean.
some oxygen. Go down, boil it tight, barely go down. Go down a little bit more. A little bit more. Little bit more. Till you hear song, come out. No. Remember you go in, get it in your hand. Too far. Go a little bit closer. Oh. Watch, you need to get this in the hand over there. Because the joint is that way. And you get it bend here. When this start to bubble and smoke, that will be temperature. Yeah. This is bubble and smoke. To come half if you go on. And the circle go on quick as possible before you cool. Move the flame and touch. Touch, go ahead. Go on. Don't put on the flame. You stop too long, man. You stop too long. You have to do it quick and go wrong with a smooth flow. Keep up underneath. Now underneath. Don't go back where you do already. Move the flame. So shall lower underneath, eh? Don't put on too much here. Make it fluff if you run. Okay, keep the flame now. Dame, hago ver.